everybody, my name is Kristen, and today I'm sharing these clear, stackable storage bins that I picked up on Amazon. They come in a 6-pack with lids and are perfect for organizing all kinds of spaces around the house. These bins are made of durable, clear plastic, so it's easy to see what's inside without having to dig through. The lids allow you to stack them neatly, which can save space and keeps everything looking tidy. Each bin also has built-in handles, making them really easy to slide out and grab what you need. I also like that the design is simple and clean, so they fit in with any room or style. I use these to organize the cabinets above my washer and dryer, which always seems to get cluttered. With these bins, everything has a place: detergent pods, dryer sheets, cleaning supplies, even extra household items. The handles make it so much easier to reach up and pull things down. And the lids keep the cabinets looking clean and uniform. It makes doing laundry feel so much less chaotic. You could also use them in the pantry, bathroom, fridge, or closet, anywhere you want to cut down on clutter and make things easier to find. They're also a great way to store kids' toys, craft supplies, or seasonal items that you don't want scattered all over the house. I love that I can label the bins too, so everyone in the house knows exactly where things go. Overall, these storage bins are sturdy, practical, and really versatile. So if you're looking for a simple way to bring order to your home, I definitely recommend them, as I have been super pleased.